Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Algebra Chapter 2, Lesson 7, or 2.7, Is it equal? Today, the question we're going to ask is, given two sets of equations, or two expressions, if you set them equal to each other, will they be equal? Or more specifically, will it be true if they are made equal to each other? So for example, if I had the equation. Here we go. My pen was not working. There we go. If I had the equation 2 plus 6, is that equal to 11 minus 3? The question is this true or is this situation false? Is 2 plus 6 equal to 11 minus 3? Well, how would I evaluate that? Simply by solving it. 2 plus 6 is 8. Equal sign stays where it is. 11 minus 3, also 8. Does 8 equal 8? Yes, it does. Therefore, this is true. This makes an equation. That's all we're doing today. We're setting two, not variables, sorry. We're setting two expressions opposite each other on the equal sign and seeing if it's true or not. If they both come out to be the same number, it's true. If they both come out to be different numbers, well, it's false. Let's try it again. All right. So if I give you 2a equals a plus a, and I tell you when a is 3, is this true or is it false? And let me be clear. What we're asking here is, will 2a be the same thing as a plus a if a is equal to 3? That's what they're asking. And so how do you test this? Simply, you substitute the a for 3. So here you go, 2 times 3. Here you go, 3 plus 3, because these a's are 3. And then you evaluate. 2 times 3 is 6. Equal sign drops. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, this is true. 2a will equal a plus a when a is 3. Very simple, right? Let's try some more. All right, what about this one? If I told you 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2 when x is -1. Okay, so will 3 times x plus 2 be the same thing as 3x plus 2 when x is -1? Well, we don't even have to guess. All we have to do is substitute, right? So let's substitute all the x's for -1. 3 times, and here's where formatting really matters. Make sure the parentheses are where they're supposed to be. Make sure you close them and be nice and orderly. Replace this x with a -1 plus 2. All right, let's go through our PEMDAS checklist. First, I do parentheses, right? P. That's the -1 plus 2. 2 minus 1, or -1 plus 2, is 2 minus 1, which is 1, times 3. Over here, I don't have any parentheses, so I just rewrite the whole problem. All right, now I use exponents. There are no exponents. There is multiplication. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times -1 is -3. Drop the plus 2. All right, I don't have anything left to do on this side, so this is still just 3. But over here, I have -3 plus 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. Does 3 equal -1? No, it does not. You didn't do the problem wrong. It's just these two things are not equal. So I like to write it like this, the equal sign with the strike through, which means not equal, meaning these do not form an equation. This is false. No equation here, no equality, right? So 3 times x plus 2 does not equal 3x plus 2 when x is equal to -1. Let's try another one. Let's try a division problem. All right, so we have 4 plus 6 over 2, or divided by 2, equals 2 times 5 minus 5. So is that true? Does 4 plus 6 divided by 2 equal 2 times 5 minus 5? Well, I don't know. How do we test this? Well, all we need to do is use PEMDAS. There's nothing to substitute here, so you just go straight into PEMDAS. Do I have any parentheses? I see none, so we move on. Any exponents? I see none. Any multiplication? Yes, there is right here, the 2 times the 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Leave the -5 where it is. Rewrite the 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Do I have any division? Technically I do. The 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So I really do need to solve the 4 plus 6 first, right? So let's do that. 4 plus 6 on the top is 10. 10 over 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 does equal 5. Therefore, these two do form an equation. It is true. 5 equals 5 on both sides. All right, last one coming up here. Let's go. 3x plus 4 equals 4x. Is that true when x is equal to 5? True or false? Well, I don't know. So all I need to do is substitute. I substitute all the x's for 5, so 3 times 5 plus 4 equals 4 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Ooh, I don't think so. 15 plus 4 is 19. Does 19 equal 20? Nope. Not the last time I checked. So these two are not equal. It is false. And that's basically it. Substitute. If you see two problems like this where it says, tell whether these form an equation or not, well, you're just going to say, all right, let me substitute the x or the variable into the equation and see if it works out. If they come out to be the same on both sides, that's true. If it comes out to be different, it's false because they aren't equal to each other. That's it. Hope this helped. If not, please let me know, and we will see you in the next video.